Zimbabwean President Emerson Mnangagwa spoke highly of China-Zimbabwe ties as he delivered a speech in the new parliament building in the capital Harare on Wednesday. The parliament building, constructed through a Chinese grant, is yet to be commissioned and officially handed over to the Zimbabwean government by China.
This state-of-the-art and majestic new parliament building here in Mount Hampton, where we are gathered, is testimony of the strategic and comprehensive partnership and excellent fraternal relations between our great motherland, Zimbabwe, and the People's Republic of China.
The Chinese contractor Shanghai Construction Group Company completed the project in May this year. It took 44 months to complete the project instead of the original 30-month timeframe due to the COVID-19 disruptions. During the speech, Mnangagwa set out the legislative agenda for the following month before the nation holds general elections around mid next year.
The Electoral Amendment Bill, which spells out new provisions for holding the 2023 harmonized elections, should be speedily concluded by this Parliament. I wish to reiterate that the attainment of Vision 2030 of a prosperous and empowered upper middle income society requires raising production and productivity across all sectors of the economy. This can only be achieved if our people are united and peaceful.